Hi friends, online learning is a worldwide trend now, and for an online learning system, we need to have a learning management system. At DGCN on this channel, we are exploring on the ideas and solutions through which you can start a digital business. Assume you are a solution provider, application software solution provider. Okay, so you don't need any technical knowledge for this, first of all. And you are offering a solution for online learning management system. How it sounds to you? In this video, we are going to explore a wonderful online learning management solution like multiple portals working in India and worldwide for online learning. So I'm not going to take a single name, so there are many. And if you are providing these solutions to your prospective clients for online learning facility, to institutions, to colleges, even for universities, for online learning. So this can be a very good idea for business, digital business for you. And even if you are working in an educational institution or willing to launch an online learning platform, this idea is really very good for earning perspectives. So we are going to explore this complete online learning management system. So what I am going to show you. So this is of course a learning management system that I am going to show you. We are going to explore the different interfaces, like first of all the admin panel that you may be, and the organization panel that can be an institute or a college, university or whatever like thing. Instructor panel who are going to teach on the portal, on the online system, and the students and website who are going to access that portal. So I'm going to show you all this screen, and this will make a complete online learning management system. So let us start without any further delay. And if you are coming to this channel very first time and yet not subscribe this channel, consider subscribing, because on this channel I'm collecting all those things through which you can start a digital business, yes, or work smartly. So there are two perspectives of this channel. In this video, we are going to explore this online learning management system. I'll start with the admin panel, and I'm going to answer all those questions that may be in your mind, how you can start, what is the cost and everything. So let us begin with the super admin panel. That can be you. Assume yourself as owner of this solution. So I am at the dashboard of super admin, the owner of this learning management solution, and this is the dashboard which is showing all the things what is going inside the system. Very briefly, quickly, but in a very good interface for information purposes. So we can see enrollment, courses, manage students and all such things. Because you are the super admin, you are going to set the system. So I am going to start with system setting. This is the system setting, and we have to start from here. First time, maybe single time, and this is going to be a general setting. So this is a complete white label solution. Of course, you can change logo and make it your, and change the name and all those things for making this solution for you or for your selling purposes. These are the basic information like system title, company name, phone number, and the purchase code. Of course, you need to buy this script. So I'm going to show you everything. The scripts you have to buy, and the basic details can be updated here. Next is preferences. What preferences you want to set for the system, like HTTP activation. This is technical thing, business related thing, instructor code, auto approve or valid system, or course preferences. You can set everything like hide review from course details and high organization from course details. Like these are the things that can be controlled from this screen. This is basically for preferences. Currency you can set here, because this can be, the solution can be used in multiple countries, and you can offer the solution in different currencies. So this can be a SaaS model, of course. So you are going to collect money as a super admin, as the owner of this solution. So you can offer the solution in multiple currencies. So these are the currencies, and you can of course add a new currency as per your requirement. Language setting, again we have option to set the solution in different language, maybe even in Arabic, Hindi or whatever, and English is of course the default thing. Cache setting for optimizing the system, admin panel setting, how the admin panel looks like. So admin panel setting, title, the system sort name, and the logo and the mini logo, fab icon, I think. Storage setting, where the data is going to be stored. Either you can use the local storage, means your server, or you can use the Amazon services S3 or web BI. Image optimization process can be enabled here. And there are some miscellaneous settings like the pagination size, API pagination size, and basic. So open AI setting is also here. Most of the things nowadays using AI solutions, so you can integrate the AI as well. Country in which you are going to offer the solution, so you can enable the countries. There are list of countries. All countries are already listed, so you can enable, disable wherever you want to offer the solution. Similarly, state and city you can add here, depending if you are filtering the solution in a state and city level. So these are the basic things that you need to set at the very first time when you are onboarding on the system. You are starting the system for organization or yourself or your client and all. Further, we can set the system SMS settings, and we have multiple system SMS gateways, like tailor is most popular, and you can use all these solutions. And you can have the SMS templates like OTP verification, SMS templates. So this is the template. You can always change this information. So we have completed the system setting and SMS setting. Similarly, we have email templates and server configuration for emailing solution, like SMTPs is to be configured here, through which the system is going to communicate the email ID that is going to be used. Offline payment can be set here, like if you are not collecting the payment through the payment gateway, so offline payment, this is clean. Website setting means what is being displayed on the front end. This is the website, and you have control on the website, of course. So like website themes you have, this is one of the theme, and this is only theme in fact. And we have theme options, like multiple things we can again control for front end website, and these are the headers, footers and all. Similarly, we have header content, hero section, footer content, call to actions, website pop-ups, and all these controls, like we are creating the front end website, and these are the same things, so custom JS and all. So this is complete website setting that you are going to control for the front end website. Next is content management system, like on the website itself, what pages are active. These are all pages, and you can of course create new page or edit the existing page information, success story section, and the testimonials and even brands. So again, this is for website. And this solution also offers the mobile solution. I mean, the APK can be created for this solution, and the users of this solution can use a mobile app for accessing this solution. So this is the mobile app setting. So onboarding setting is here. So this is the onboard settings. Similarly, is the slider, API setting, Android setting, iOS setting. So both versions are available, Android and iOS, and the Android versions can be like app URL can be used here. Similarly, GDPR setting and home screen setting can be done from this screen. This is for mobile app. Now I'm coming back to the dashboard. Again, I'm repeating, you are the system admin, you are the owner of the solution. Assume yourself owner, and this is the super admin screen. Now, as a super admin, you can check all the details, how many enrollments has been done in the system. You can directly add the student and select a student, or select the course. However, there is no data to show you, but yes, these are the enrollments screen. Similarly, we have course list, how many courses are listed in the solution. So these are the courses, and further you can add new courses, you can edit the existing ones. So these are the very brief information about the courses, and all these details can be updated through this panel. Similarly, we have the we have curriculum, so in the SEO part, so like how many stages are in this course, we can have this. Category is the course category. Similarly, subject, tags, and label and certificate. So this is complete course management. Next is how we are managing the students. So these are the list of students. So you can manage the students, like you can edit the information, and you can take action, like you can view details, unverified student, ban these students. So all these things are here since it is online teaching system. So you can even ban the. Similarly, instructor list, who are offering the instruction. I mean, who are the teachers. So these are the list. Further, we can add new instructor. I'll show you the screen. So this is the basic screen where we can put all the details of instruction. And what are the expertise of instructor? So we can map the expertise with an instructor. I can show you. So like English, title, and the status. Organization. So this is basically the thing, I mean, where the institutes are listed. So how many institutes or organizations are listed, total organization, suspended, and you can add new organization, of course, that is offering the course or content. Organization name, tagline. So this can be a separate login for their organization, and this will be unique for them. And similarly, staffs are there. If there is an organization, a staff will be there, and staff roles can be set. Media library gives us all the images control, and we can control the images wherever is being used in the system. Similarly, AI assistant is here, just in case if you are willing to integrate the AI, it can be done. Blog is again for front-end website, and you can set the all post, and you can set the category. Payment gateway is the solution where you are going to put the credentials of API credentials, of course, of payment gateway. Then you can enable the payment gateway. Like Stripe is popularly used throughout the world, being used throughout the world. And if we are talking about India, Paytm is here, and Razor, yes. So Razorpay is also here. So the major payment gateways are here. So you can simply integrate the payment gateways. Like if you are using Razorpay, so you can simply put the API and the secret key, and it will be integrated automatically. Valet request is here. So if the valet is active, so you can check. So payouts for valets, notification settings, custom notification, and the push. This is basically for push notification and one signal. So this is push notification system. Marketing and support. So support is the ticket. So who are using the system may raise support ticket, and you have to answer. Of course, you are running the solution. And further, bulk SMS can be done in marketing, all coupons for promotion and all. Reports. Again, so course sale reports. So of course, this system is for earning only, and we have to check all the reports and the commission history, the payment history, the payout history, and the wish list. And I have shown you rest of things like mobile settings and CA. So this is all about the super admin control of this learning management system. Next, now I am logged in as organization who is offering the courses and further. So we can consider it institute login basically. So this is very less option, and because the main points are here. So dashboard is here for organization, and it is showing the how many courses are being run through the organization, total instructor, total students, and all. So organization can manage their courses, of course. So edit options are here, and all the details of courses. Similarly, they can manage students, and as I shown you in the admin panel, manage instructors, and they can control the certificates that they are offering. So they can add new certificates, and the certificate format is here, and of course, the certificate is a very basic requirement for online courses. Media library for this particular organization, and payout again if the money exchange is going on. Manage staff, how many staffs are using the solution in the organization, and organization setting. So organization can have their own name, of course, and they will set their own details here, and the payout settings further. So it is very simple, but yes, the login is separate. It is necessary for login as organization is separate. So this is a screen. And now I am logged in as teacher, I mean instructor. So who is teaching on the system? Of course, online teaching. So this is dashboard. Again, the teacher course, new course is total students and total enrollments. The course being taught by the teachers. So these are the courses. Again, course can be added by the teacher as well. My students means the teacher's students who has enrolled for the courses opting by the teacher. certificate is again here as a media library for the teacher itself. And finally, the student. So students are going to access the solution through this front-end website itself, and the students are of course main users of this solution. So students are going to log in at this login screen, and now I am logged in as a student. So a student can see their profile and of course the website pages as well, how many courses are available for enrollment and all. My profile gives the basic information of students, further how many courses has been enrolled by the particular student. So the sub account labeling and whatever the course name and what is the progress level of learning can be seen here, and the students can continue the course as well. So like if I am a student and further there are some errors, so I'm sorry. So this is a demo installation. Okay, so this is the course. So a student can continue learning on a particular course, like these are the course level videos and the levels. I mean the basic curriculum is here. The student can jump into the section where they are learning and further, and they can continue reading or learning. So this is the course, and again I'm here. Wish list. If I'm as a student, I'm willing to learn a course and willing to enroll. Certificate. So what has been the certificate on by me as a student, and my assignment is here. So how many assignments are remaining completed, all can be seen. What are the notifications for me, the basic settings for me as a student, what is the messaging, so I can internally run the message, my wallet, how much amount is remaining and how I am filling the amount. So recharge amount is here. Of course I am paying as a course learner, I have to pay the solution, and this is the way how the system is earning. So students are paying of course. And help and support is again here for raising tickets and all. And of course the logout is here. So this is the complete learning management system, and I shown you just 4 screens, and these makes the complete learning management system. And you might be wondering the solution name. So this is the solution name. The solution is available at codecanyon.net as complete learning management system, and surprisingly it is just available for $39. So you can host this solution, and you can take a shared hosting plan, and you can take a domain name. So complete expenditure can be around $100, or you can say the 8 or 10,000 Indian rupees. And this is going to be live, and you are going to honor of this solution, white label solution this is, and you can offer this solution to your prospective clients or use it for your own. So this is complete, and you have to buy the solution through the video description link, and we are going to install the solution for you. So we are going to make it live for you. So everything is here, so you can check all the details. So what are the features? But yes, this is a full-fledged learning management system undoubtedly, and you can use this solution. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions through which you can start more digital businesses, explore other videos that can suit for your need. And till then, goodbye, keep watching, and even keep building. Thank you.